Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well and enjoying these cozier months. I don't know about you, but in England it's suddenly got really cold. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the crystals that will help the next star sign on our list, which is of course Libra. So in astrology, the zodiac sign Libra spans from approximately September the 23rd to October the 22nd. So do bear in mind that these dates can vary slightly from year to year because of the way that our calendar aligns with the astronomical positions of the sun. We're going to uncover the best crystals that help resonate with Libra's energy and how they can enhance their unique qualities. But before we dive in, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe down below to my channel. So if you're a Libra or have a Libra in your life, let's get going. Libra is the 7th sign of the zodiac, and individuals born between September the 23rd and October the 22nd fall under this air sign. Libras are known for their charming and diplomatic nature, and they are ruled by the planet Venus, which is the planet of love and beauty. Libras are natural peacemakers. They have a strong sense of justice and fairness and often strive to maintain harmony in their relationships and their surroundings. They're also known for their charm and sociable nature. Libras often have a wide circle of friends and they enjoy socializing and are skilled at making people feel comfortable in their presence. The symbol of Libra is scales, representing, of course, balance. So Libras seek equilibrium in all aspects of their life, from relationships to decision making. They take time to weigh up all sides before they make their final choice. Of course, because they are ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, Libras have a deep appreciation for aesthetics. They're often drawn to things like art, music, and then beautiful surroundings as well. Libra's desire for balance and fairness can sometimes lead to indecisiveness. The need to consider all perspectives may make it challenging for them to make swift and efficient decisions. Libras are often intellectually inclined and have a keen analytical mind. They enjoy engaging in thoughtful discussions and may excel in professions that require critical thinking. Libras thrive in partnerships and are known for their commitment when they're in relationships. They value companionship and they may go to great lengths to maintain harmony in their personal circumstances and connections. Libras do generally dislike conflict and confrontation. They may go out of their way to avoid discord, sometimes to the detriment of expressing their true feelings and how they really feel about the situation. With their more diplomatic nature, Libras can excel in communication. They're often very tactful and can navigate conversations gracefully, avoiding any unnecessary conflicts. Libras also have a strong sense of justice and can become advocates for fairness. They may be drawn to social causes and issues where they feel that they can then make a positive impact and help. Of course, we have to remember that these traits are associated with Libras. Of course, individual people and personalities can vary. Astrology only offers a more broader view, especially when we're just looking at the sun signs. And personal experiences, upbringing, and other factors, of course, play a significant role in shaping an individual's character. Crystals can be chosen based on their metaphysical properties to complement and enhance certain traits associated with a particular zodiac sign. So in this instance, for Libras, who are known for their balance, charm, and love of harmony, the following crystals are often considered beneficial for them. So first off is rose quartz. Unconditional love, compassion, harmony. Libras have a huge emphasis on their relationships, and rose quartz can help benefit their ability to foster unconditional love. This crystal encourages Libras to approach connections with an open heart, nurturing loving and harmonious relationships. Libra's diplomatic nature is complemented by blue lace agate, which enhances communication skills. It then helps Libras to express their thoughts with clarity and grace, therefore fostering an understanding and balance in their interactions. So Libra's pursuit of balance extends, of course, to their emotional well-being as well. Lepidolite, with its calming energy, assists Libras in maintaining emotional equilibrium, reducing stress and creating a harmonious internal environment for them. Clear quartz acts as an energy amplifier, enhancing the positive qualities associated with Libra, such as diplomacy and fair-mindedness. It brings clarity to thoughts and decisions, supporting Libras in maintaining their balanced perspective. Libra's love for harmony is complemented by citrine, which brings joy and positivity. This crystal supports Libras in maintaining an optimistic outlook and radiating positive energy in their interactions and relationships. Selenite's cleansing properties help Libras to maintain clarity in their thoughts and actions. It purifies energy, providing a clear mental space for Libras to navigate through, and also to help with their relationships and decisions. Green aventurine is associated with emotional calmness and balance and supports Libras in making decisions to, again, enable this sense of equilibrium. It enhances their ability to navigate relationships smoothly and basically amplifies their good qualities in this aspect. Next up is rhodonite. So rhodonite's energy encourages compassion and emotional healing. It aligns really well with Libra's desire for harmonious relationships, fostering empathy and understanding in their reactions. So next up is how to use these crystals. So using crystals as a Libra involves incorporating them into your daily life and activities to basically harness this energy of the crystals on a day-to-day basis. So here are some suggestions on how to use the previously mentioned crystals just in your daily routine. So you can adorn yourself with rose quartz jewelry, for example, such as a necklace or bracelet to keep its energies close to your heart. You could hold rose quartz in your hands during meditation to focus on cultivating love, compassion, and harmonious relationships. You could keep blue lace agate in your pocket or wear it as a pendant, for example, to enhance communication skills, especially in diplomatic or any challenging situations you may find yourself in, or for like a work presentation. If possible, place blue lace agate on your desk, again to promote this calm and balanced atmosphere when you're in the workplace. You could carry a small piece of lepidolite in your pocket or purse for that emotional balance and stress relief throughout the day. You could put it on your bedside table also to promote restful sleep and emotional healing during the night. You could use clear quartz as an amplifier by placing it next to the other crystals or by carrying it with you to enhance positive energies. Before meditation, hold clear quartz and set intentions related to things like balance, clarity, and harmony. You can wear citrine jewelry or carry a tumble stone to foster a positive outlook and then attract abundance. During meditation, you could visualize a bright golden light surrounding you, amplifying the positive energy of citrine. You can use selenite wands to cleanse your aura by gently moving the crystal around your body. You can also use selenite in your meditation space to maintain clarity and a high vibrational atmosphere. It also works as a great cleanser of any negative energies as well for your other crystals. Carrying aventurine as a pocket stone for emotional calmness and decision making. Or you could wear green aventurine jewelry, again to promote balance and luck in your daily life and to constantly have it about your person. Place rhodonite on your heart chakra during meditation to encourage compassion and emotional healing. Sorry if you can hear my cats. Consider gifting rhodonite to friends or loved ones as a symbol of your desire for harmonious relationships. Remember that the key is to connect with the crystals intentionally. It's all about that kind of inner gut feeling. You must tap into this. Hold them, meditate with them, and set these positive intentions. You can also, use all of these crystals that we've mentioned to create crystal grids and place them strategically around bedroom or your workspace. Regularly cleanse and charge these crystals to make sure that their energies remain vibrant and effective and helpful to you. As I said, tap into that intuition and use crystals that resonate with you personally. And there you have it, an in-depth look at all of the perfect crystals for Libras. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you are a Libra, I hope you have had or will have a lovely birthday. As always, have a lovely rest of your day. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Stay happy and blessed be.